This farm in southeastern Michigan has been in the Darling family since 1833. There are rows upon rows of corn for as far as the eye can see. Although poor weather last year put a strain on many farmers in the area, this year there is the potential for a bumper crop. That, combined with recent record purchases of corn from China, is giving many farmers here hope.
We are excited that, some of the things that China has done, anytime we can sell something, boy, that gives us some optimism. And then when we look at the size of the crop that we have, please come buy it.
It has been a difficult few years for US farmers. Low commodity prices amid various international trade disputes, as well as the impact of the global COVID-19 pandemic, have left many facing financial ruin.
The amount of dairy farms that have gone out, the amount of small family farms because they economically can't afford to stay in business, and it gets to the point where the business can't survive. And suicide in our rural communities had a large increase over the last 2 years because of the economics that have gone on.
Under the terms of the Phase 1 trade agreement between China and the US, China is committed to buying $36.6 billion worth of agricultural products this year. A study by the Peterson Institute for International Economics found that through June, however, China was way behind being able to meet that target. Then came China's corn buying spree in July, including 2 record-high single-day sales, together totaling 3.8 million tons.
The trade agreement that was reached with China was welcome news for farmers here in Michigan and across the United States. Having access to that market is critically important, especially when it's done on a playing field that's level and free and fair.
For Michigan farmers, the substantial purchases of corn by China is a welcome sight. After years of uncertainty due to the various international trade disputes, farmers here hope that these deals are a sign that better times are ahead.
China market is very important to us, and so it's critically important that we deal with China because there's nearly 1.4 billion people there to feed, and we'd like to be the partner that helps feed them.
There are still huge challenges ahead for US farmers. The future remains unpredictable, but it's hoped those purchases are a further step in the right direction. Dan Williams for CGTN, Willis, Michigan.